Hello, we're checking this microwave with exhaust system. This is a Kenmore, but all of them is pretty much the same. The motor was not running, it was just humming. So every time I push it, it will spin. So we'll check really quick, make sure blue and white, they have continuity. Okay, if you got continuity, that means everything's good inside. And we can check too from each pin to the body, make sure it's not grounded. You don't need sound. If you get a sound, the motor's grounded. So I check this motor and it's good, it's not grounded. And then when I was doing a visual inspection, I find out this motor goes to this connector right here, and from here it goes to a capacitor. Look, the capacitor was there. See, you can buy this on eBay for from $4 to $7. Just make sure you get the good the ratings are accurate. Okay. And now we're gonna test it. So when you're working on that, just do a visual. Make sure you check all your harness. Make sure you check your capacitor, and don't be spending money on buying a expensive motor when it's just a really cheap part.